Why don't you give me a sign, like the sea that leaves a trail along that shore? It's not your problem, it's mine. Everybody thinks that I'm okay. Sometimes I think I am too. I'm on the outside looking in, I'm waiting for the shockwaves to begin. Oh, won't you let me hold you for one time? Just a rainy day in a London cafe, a London cafe. So give me one last serenade. Say to me, or swear with me till the night turns into day. And it was a shame when daylight faded, because we didn't notice at all.
Dick Whittington and His Cat is out in cinemas and will soon be available on CBeebies and BBC iPlayer.
Comes a sparkling Christmas spectacular. Dick Whittington and His Cat, with all your CBeebies favourites.
Hi, I'm Aoife with the Fan Carpet. We are here at the premiere of Dick Whittington and His Cat. So what do you think is important about the story that needs to be told and why you chose to do it?
What's important about the story? Well, it's a story of, a young boy who essentially comes to London with very little, and he meets some people who encourage him, who give him his sparkle and empower him to be all that he can be, which I think is a really great message for everybody, to know that you don't have to have a lot of stuff, but actually what's inside you already is pretty magical.
Oh, brilliant. That's lovely. Tell us about, pantomime. What do you like about that? I know during COVID, it wasn't around. And what do you think is important for pantomime and children and people in general?
Yeah, pantomime is just such a special time to bring family together, to bring communities together, just to have fun and enjoy themselves no matter what's going on in the world around them. You can escape into the world of panto and have fun for 2 hours or an hour and a half or an hour and just enjoy life.
And forget all your troubles. Anything else coming up in your future, pantomimes or work, or what's happening?
Well, I'm just heading back into the CBeebies studio. We've already filmed our Christmas content, so we'll be looking ahead to filming our New Year content. I'm really excited for 2023. Lots of good things happening.
Brilliant. Well, enjoy the rest of the year and thank you for talking to us. All the best. Thank you. Thank you for watching The Fan Carpet. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.
Dick Whittington and His Cat. Book your tickets today.
I'm here on the largest of the Balearic Islands, Mallorca, with the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea, beautiful mountainous landscape, the thriving city of Palma, quaint little market towns, a growing number of luxury hotels. It's no surprise that the likes of Audrey Hepburn and Elizabeth Taylor like to holiday here. So come and join me as I take you round Mallorca.
Thank you for watching The Fan Carpet. If you like this video, be sure to click that thumbs up button at the bottom of your screen. And also be sure to subscribe to the Fan Carpet YouTube channels. They're absolutely free and so much fun too. Be sure to check out the official website, thefancarpet.com. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay up to date with reviews, competitions, the latest news, and so much more.